Hey, good morning, my YouTube friends. This is Hugh with Hugh and Will. Welcome back. Today I have this. What I want to do today is show you how to look for, uh, structural damage or structural previous repair on when you're looking at these older car or used car in the market for used car. So I want to show you what to look for, and I have this one right here as an example, 2007. Um, Lexus RX 350, and during the inspection I found walk around, and I found that this vehicle has structural repair. So I want to show you what to look for and what to look out for when you look for these older car. So normally, these quarter panels, and pretty normal that they have these quarter panels repair, pretty common when they get into the accident, or in the front end area, where these fender area is. But today this one I found is on this quarter panel right here, has been previously repaired. So what you're looking at is you're gonna look at the panel and compare the colors. This one is looked like little off, and we can see that the color is with fish eye on the door. On the panel right here. That's indicate that the panel has been previously repainted. Or we also look at the panel right here is not even. It's kind of like orange peel. So that's another indicate. So what we do is peel in this weather seal L, and you can see that if it's factory, it should have these spot rail right here, spot wells. This round circling well right here, that's the factory one. Most of the factory wells look like that. Some German car looks slightly different, but that's the factory one. And you just look down here, it keep disappearing, and it's become like flat. It's no longer like, you don't see those spot well anymore. And you can see that it's been indicated that this one has been off also. You can see the surface is not smooth. It's kind of like the pan is sticking out, some metal is sticking out also. So that indicate that it has been repaired. And if you look at the back of it, you can see I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the well mark also. It's kind of like a burn mark. So you can see it in the back there, and the gap between these panel, is not very flush like the factory one. So that's the indicator that this panel has been repaired. All you can see, this right here is been painted, but this one looks rusty. So that's indicate that this one has been repaired. So that's the and another one is normally in the back here. We can look at it, this panel right here also, we can look at it, and it should have the factory spot well, but this one I doesn't see it. See, if you look at it, this factory spot well is no longer there. It's all flush, and the sealing is also look different. So that's another indicate that this whole panel has been replaced and repaired. So that's in the auto. So we consider that structural repair. And you look at this side right here. This is the good side. So you can still see these. As you can see, the spot well is still there, but the other side is all flush. And I'll show you the good side of the quarter panel. Normally, if it's too good, then you see most JDM, Japanese brand, has this sticker right here, the VIN stamp. And you see this one in here, all the spot well is still here, all around. And the other side, it has been, has some work done to it, so it's no longer factory. So yeah, that's what I got for you. If you go out and look for used car and look for structural damage or previous repair, so you know that the car has been in an accident or not. All right, that's what I got for you today. Thank you for checking this out, and I'll keep bringing more value to you. You know, hope you like the content and support my channel. So thank you for checking this out. I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.